So this is our BCD multi-sim model, and we will go through the truth table to see if our circuit correctly counts in binary, which is what it should do. So 0, 0, 0 displays a 0. 0, 0, 0, 1 displays a 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0 displays a 2. 0, 0, 1, 1 displays a 3. 0, 1, 0, 0 displays a 4. 0, 1, 0, 1 0, 1, 0, 1 displays a 5. 0, 1, 1, 0 displays a 6. 0, 1, 1 displays a 7. 1, 0, 0 displays an 8. 1, 0, 0, 1 displays our 9. And below that we don't care. We don't care what 1, 0, and 0 displays or anything like that, because those are other states. But as we can see, our circuit correctly counts in binary and displays everything correctly.